Alright guys, what we have here is the Samsung MX20 video camcorder. It's a shoot and share memory camcorder. It's awesome. I've been waiting for this from Amazon for over 2 weeks and got withheld in my my postal service, so I'm waiting for this. One of the great features, some of the great features on the outside, it says it's got a Snyder lens. They're supposed to be great quality. 3 hours of battery, which is awesome time. Face detection, that's good for photos. Advanced noise reduction, which helps keep down like chatter and noise that you don't want to hear. And interval recording, so you can record like over a long period of time and shorten that down in 180 hand grip swivel. And this also says it's actual hand size, so if you look at it with my hand, whoa, are you kidding me, man? That's crazy. Alright, so let's open the box. So I'm going to keep this continual frame so that we can you can see what I'm seeing. First time. Haven't even opened the box. Doing this with one hand. Okay, let me put this down. Let's see, okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Take this puppy out. Okay. So, here we go. Open up the box. Fold out the things. Pull this up. Okay, first we got all the paper and a user manual with the CD. So, all that junk that I may or may not read. Here you get a bag for your camcorder. That's very nice. I'll open that up later. We get the charging travel charger. That's cool. Got the TV cables, and we got the mini USB port, which is great. That's very handy. And we got the battery, which is what does it say? Well, it's a 7.4 volt 850 milliamp lithium ion battery, so that's a decent battery. Like I said, it has 3 hours of battery life, which is really good for a video camera. And here we have the video camera. Been waiting for this. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that. There we go. There it is. Okay, well that was the unboxing, and I will show you everything in full next video. Alright, thanks.